How you guys doing? I'm here at Airsoft Gateway, trying the new lens protectors for the TLR HL, so you don't have this problem. I was playing and it got shot and broke. So with this new lens, you take your broken glass, put the lens inside, be sure this is lined up where it's supposed to, and tie it back in, and it's ready. We already tested. We shot it with a 400 feet per second sniper rifle, and it didn't even damage the glass. So be sure to check out Airsoft Gateway for this new laser cut protectors for your TLR.